So we purchased him over the mountains, and that's what they kind of like. The people that had him, they didn't really know anything about horses. So unfortunately, he was left out.
Yeah.
Just out in pasture, and we were told that he just used the stars for his friends.
Yeah.
On a small pony.
Oh,
So that she wanted to get rid of him.
Well, he is much happier here.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Because we love him.
Yeah, he's a good boy. And the stars, like when you were hearing that, I was not getting that same message because he's got ancestors up there. Right?
I guess we never really thought of it that way. We kind of felt like he was all like left alone and
No,
had to fend
there's-
for himself. And it was so sad.
There's so much going on out
Yeah.
there. So now,
Yeah.
I mean, having your friends in the stars, that's
pretty
a
awesome.
good thing.
Pretty awesome.
Yeah.
But he's really good. I think his biggest challenge was just kind of feeling like the little brother. I think he's just more of like wanting to fit in.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's like,
He does.
I wouldn't say like too much of peace, and it's kind of hard too because he sometimes doesn't get along. Well, he didn't get along with Walker. Walker actually like kind of ripped some hide out of him, so that's why they were separated. But I think he just wants to
Only him and Chisholm go.
something.
Yeah.
So Ellie actually outweighs him now with the saddle in her own body.
Okay. So
And we're not into like pushing that. I know some people like to, but then you just end up with more back problems. And
if you do that, then
I think
that's
would be
amazing.
awesome. I think he should pull us like on a sled.
Yes, in the winter with the snow.
I think it'd be awesome.
You'll have to send me videos on that.
I think he'd really enjoy it.
Yeah.
Like until he gets used to it. Like we could be in Elizabeth in like no time.
Mm-hmm.
But,
Did he ride, huh?
he does.
Cart rides. That'd be fun.
Yeah, I want to try and teach him. And then Medium had actually suggested that we use him for like small kid rides.
Okay.
Or just like small kids who want to ride horses, but they're not able to ride horses.
Yeah.
Then they could like come out here and ride him.
You're small and mighty.
Yeah, he is.
That's what you are. You don't need to be big like the other ones.
Yeah, he's just got such a soft soul. He's
Mm-hmm.
just so sweet. Yeah. And he's not like your classic ponies. That's what we really love about him.
Mm-hmm. And I mean, the sacred geometry
Yes.
was coming up for him. And then it's interesting that my sacred geometry tuning forks I brought, we'll have to get those out.
It'd be so
It would
exciting
be hard
to
trying
see.
to paint his because it's like
Well,
all
you can
the
get a stencil.
lines.
You guys can order a stencil on Amazon.
Like get a big one.
Big flower
I
light.
think it'd be
right there.
really cool to have his.
Yeah.
I think it's just interesting how they
Like how they
ties
know-
into their personality.
How they
and
know,
stuff. That's
like,
cool.
oh, I want to see this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's like, how do you know that when you're
Yeah.
Well,
Where did we put those tuning forks? Are they over here?
yeah.
Let me grab. Okay. Let me grab those. Here, so I'll let you guys do these, but you have to do them at the same time. All you do is hit them against the palm of your hand.
Okay.
And those are sacred geometry. Hey, baby. You are so cute. You are so cute.
Hey. Come on. Hey. Let her in. You have to let her in.
So I sometimes, if I have two of them, I hit them on my knee. I just use like this. Yeah. See how it creates the vibration? So together, let me just show you. So when you do them both together. Whoa. That breaks my brain. Okay. You want to feel, so you can feel what it feels like.
Yeah.
I always start with the heart.
Oh, wow. Those are nice.
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead. On your pole.
See if we all try it. You want to try it?
He'll want to try it. You put it on your head.
Should I do it on your head or should I do it on your heart? We'll find a spot that works for you, babe.
It's like,
I don't want it there.
he's like, baby. You don't like
Feel that?
I wonder
You
if
wanna
he
just hear
I wonder
it?
if he can hear it.
You hear that, baby?
I did keep that.
Sacred geometry is the building blocks of all creation. What do you think of that?
I think he enjoys that. I think he really does enjoy
There
it.
you go. You guys do it. They're going to try it on you.
Tap it on your hand.
Yeah, you just hit it on your palm of your hand and it.
So do you have to wait for them to stop?
No. And then don't touch it on this part because that's the vibration part. Just touch it on the.
Yeah, so move your hand down.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? We'll do it together. Great.
And hit it hard.
Just put it on him and see if he'll enjoy it.
He's your pony, so he'll probably let you do it, huh? Oh, baby. Yeah. So when it starts to go, yeah. And you too, don't hold your breath. And like you breathe in and you breathe out too. Is it still vibrating? Hit it again.
I can get it on his pole, babe.
Yeah. Hit it again on your palm. Yeah. We got one for you too.
I love how they don't run away. You know, like when it resonates with them, he's like, oh, okay.
Well, it's a reminder.
Here, do it again for him. Mine went out.
Is that reminding you of your truth?
Absolutely. So, you just want to listen for a moment?
Yeah, you just listen. Mm-hmm.
Is that a lot for you?
Ooh, that's nice. What do you think of that? It's very calming, huh?
Look at you, sweetie.
Yeah, I figured with the sacred geometry sticker and the flower of life, I'm like, I'm bringing the sacred geometry tuning fork.
Ready?
Wow.
Like he's like in it.
Yeah.
Has to be inside their minds.
Mm-hmm.
Would be so cool.
Do you want us to put it on your heart? Will he let you touch his chest? That felt good? Oh,
Yeah, very nice.
okay. I'll do you at the same time. One on your hand.